Bonnie, happy Wednesday! Oh my goodness, you guys, it has been so long since I have done an Avon video. I'm excited to be back doing them. So, Avon actually had a little bit of an outage about a week ago, and they are back online, so all good news and lots of cool stuff. So tonight I want to talk about Campaign 20, which is coming up in actually 2 weeks. Right now, we're in the middle of, we just started Campaign 19, which includes the new Avon hair coloring. So all of that is in there. You can shop online. For those of you just joining me, by the way, my name is Bonnie. I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. Shipping is free on 60. Lots of cool stuff going on right now at Avon. One of which is, so Avon is having a virtual, it's kind of like Avon Con. So it's a big event for Avon reps. And I have a swag bag, which is just amazing. I'm so excited about this swag bag. It came today in the mail, and I got to show you guys everything that is in this box. So I registered for the Avon event as a rep, and check it out. I got a card here. It says, "Get ready to be obsessed." Avon Convention 2021. It is going to be virtual again this year. I think you could actually attend, but I am doing virtual. They have a whole bunch of activities, demos, and one of the most exciting things, oh my gosh, you guys, Christmas! I cannot wait for Avon Christmas. And when I got the swag bag today and I opened it up, I'm like, we got a Christmas product. Actually, we get 2 Christmas products. So I'm like beyond excited to show you guys this stuff. So I'm just going to dig through here and show you what I got. By the way, Avon has Kotex now. I always say Kotex. They're feminine hygiene products. Kotex is the brand name. Oh my gosh, check it out. 100% organic. But we got a sample of those. Pretty cool. And then we got some, I think we got 5 samples of the Green Goddess. I actually like all of the Avon CBD cream. Green Goddess is one of the products for your face. I absolutely love this product, so I got some samples of that. Then the new, I'm so excited about this. This is the brand new Esonox LX New Platinum. So, new skincare line from Avon that is actually going to be featured in Campaign 20. So it says, "Defy gravity with the natural power of hibiscus flower." It has recapturing the look of youthful contours with organic hibiscus extract. I can't say that, you guys. Organic hibiscus extract for visibly firmer, youthful, plumped skin. I'll take that, seriously. I got the Sculpting Oil Serum. Really pretty bottle, by the way. I love the Esonox, so awesome. And then I also got the Sculpting Day Cream. So I'm excited about both these products to try them. Ooh, smells good too. So I will be testing these out. And like I said, these are coming in Campaign 20. Also in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I nearly just like screamed when I saw this. Check it out. Christmas, Avon Senses Peppermint Delight Bubble Bath. Oh my goodness. You know me. I am a huge fan of all things peppermint. And to have a peppermint bubble bath is like beyond exciting. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a good one. Holy moly. It's nice and peppermint. It's got a little vanilla in there. It's creamy. This is coming, you guys. Check it out. Avon Senses Peppermint Delight Bubble Bath. I'm so excited. I don't think there's scent notes on here. Oh, there are scent notes. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is awesome. Creamy vanilla, white chocolate, chilled raspberries, and cool freesia with peppermint. That's really interesting. Oh my gosh. You know what? I do think there's a slight note of fruit in there. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Like I said, I saw that one. We have a peppermint bubble bath. I also got this really cute ornament. These are coming for Christmas. Check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at this. How adorable is. I always collect these. These are awesome. It says Avon 2021 on the back. Cute little Christmas ornament there. I did get the Euro, I don't know how to pronounce this, you guys. It's Urthymol. This is the original toothpaste. I'm not exactly familiar with the toothpaste. I got a bigger sample of the Green Goddess, and then I got a pair of earrings. How fun is that? Check these out. These are really pretty. I don't know if these are coming for Christmas. Let's see if I can open these up so I can show you. Oh, these are really pretty though. These are like, they're definitely like a shimmer crystal-y pair. Super pretty. So I got the earrings, and then I also got a 2022, I believe. This is the Care Deeply Avon Lip Balm 2022. I can't believe it's going to be 2022. I got a FMG Glimmer Lip Gloss. And then, oh my gosh, I'm going to box toss. Get rid of that. Check it out. This must be a new product. Far Away Beyond Intense. Avon is also getting another classic perfume. The Topaz is coming. So let me open this. By the way, the box is beautiful on this. Oh my gosh. Look at the box. How pretty is that? I'm just going to take this out here. What are the scent notes on this one? Potent blend of alluring jasmine, fresh orange blossom, and warm tonka bean. Let me see. I can't wait. Ooh, this is pretty. Check this out. I love the little tassels on there. I like the new intense perfumes that Avon is doing. They're really strong. Let me spray a little bit of this on. Okay, this smells amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh, these intense perfumes are really strong. This says, travel to an exotic paradise, discover the colorful and mysterious Orient, escape to the destination of your dreams. This is definitely like a nice, exotic, warm, floral, super pretty. So look at how pretty this bottle is too. Okay, I'm super happy, you guys. I'm happy to be back doing an Avon video. I'm excited for what's coming. I will let you know what happened at the Avon convention, all the neat stuff that I find out for Christmas. And can I say that I'm beyond excited for Peppermint Delight? I can't tell you how happy this makes me to have this awesome peppermint scent in a bubble bath. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.